Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Pump.Fun by bot in Telegram group. In order to do that, you just have to launch your Telegram desktop application and then select the group in which you want to add Pump.Fun by bot. After that, you need to click on the name of your group and here you need to tap on this plus icon. Now here in the search bar, you need to type @pump by underscore bot. Now you will be able to see pump.fun by tracker. So you just have to select it and then press add. Now it will show you this type of pop-up. So you just have to simply tap on the add button. Now you will notice that pump.fun by tracker is now added. Now you just have to click on the name of your group again, and now you just have to right click on the bot, and here you just have to click on promote to admin. Once done, you will be able to see this type of settings in front of you. So you just have to change nothing over here and click on the save button. Once done, you will notice that now the pump.fun by tracker is now your admin. Now over here in the message bar, you just have to simply type backslash and then you just have to type config. After that, you will be able to see this type of pop-up which will say that please reply to this message with a contract address of your token on Pump.Fun. So in order to find the contract address, you just have to come to Pump.Fun, and currently I don't have any token over here, but I'm going to demonstrate it on any of the random tokens that is given on this page. So let's say I'm going to select this particular token over here. So after selecting the token, you will be able to see the contract address of it in the top. So this is the contract address. So you just have to copy it from here, then go back to your group and paste the address in the section and press enter. After that, you will be able to start using the Pump.Fun by bot in the Telegram group. So if this video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.